Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Ford 2.5 Duratec hybrid engine is a key component in Ford's hybrid and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs. Unlike the EcoBoost engines, it is a naturally aspirated, non-turbocharged, inline four-cylinder engine that operates on the Atkinson cycle, specifically optimized for efficiency within a hybrid powertrain. It works in conjunction with electric motors and a continuously variable transmission, ECVD. Review and opinions. The 2.5 Duratec hybrid engine generally receives positive reviews for its reliability and fuel efficiency. Owners and reviewers appreciate the seamless transition between electric and petrol power and the overall quietness of the system, especially at lower speeds in EV mode. It's not designed for thrilling performance, but rather for smooth, economical operation. Common opinions include smooth and refined operation. The ECVD ensures a fluid power delivery. Excellent fuel economy, especially in urban driving where the electric motor can do more work. Proven reliability. The non-turbocharged Atkinson cycle design is inherently less complex than EcoBoost engines, contributing to good long-term durability. Adequate power for daily driving. While not a performance engine, it provides sufficient power for most driving situations, particularly when combined with the electric motor's instant torque. Advantages. Exceptional fuel efficiency, a primary advantage, especially in city driving or for plug-in hybrid variants where significant electric-only range is possible. High reliability. The Duratec engine family has a strong reputation for durability, and the Atkinson cycle design, combined with its operation within a hybrid system, where it often runs at optimal RPMs, contributes to longevity. Smooth operation. The ECVD eliminates traditional gear shifts, resulting in a very smooth and linear acceleration experience. Lower emissions. Hybrid technology significantly reduces tailpipe emissions, especially in EV mode. Reduced maintenance on ICE. Because the petrol engine often shuts off at idle and low speeds, it experiences less wear than a conventional engine. Disadvantages and faults. Modest performance. Compared to turbocharged engines, the 2.5 Duratec hybrid isn't designed for blistering acceleration. It provides adequate, but not exciting, power. Rubber band effect with ECVD. While smooth, some drivers dislike the continuous high RPM drone that can occur under heavy acceleration, characteristic of continuously variable transmissions, as the engine strives for optimal efficiency. Battery degradation over time. As with all hybrids, the high-voltage battery can degrade over many years and high mileage, potentially reducing electric range and overall system efficiency. Replacement can be costly, though it's less common than in early hybrid models. Complexity of hybrid system. While the engine itself is robust, the overall hybrid system, including the battery, electric motors, and power electronics, adds complexity, which could theoretically lead to more points of failure, though robust design generally minimizes this. Cabin noise under load. While generally quiet, when the petrol engine kicks in under harder acceleration, it can become noticeable. Breakdowns, common causes. Breakdowns specifically related to the 2.5 Duratec internal combustion engine are relatively rare. Most potential issues would be age-related component failures. Like any engine over high mileage, things like accessory belts, sensors, or minor leaks can occur. Issues with hybrid components. While rare, failures in the inverter, electric motors, or high-voltage battery can lead to a vehicle breakdown or limp mode. These are distinct from the petrol engine itself. Fuel consumption. The official WLTP or EPA figures for the 2.5 Duratec hybrid are typically very impressive, especially for PHEV versions. For instance, the Ford Kuga/Escape PHEV might boast a combined figure well over 100 mpg UK or 40+ mpg US for the standard hybrid. Real-world fuel consumption is highly dependent on driving style and how frequently a PHEV is charged. PHEVs, if regularly charged and used for short trips, owners can achieve exceptional mileage, often running predominantly on electric power. For longer trips, without charging, the fuel economy will drop to more conventional hybrid levels. Standard hybrids. Owners frequently report real-world averages in the 35 to 45 mpg US range in mixed driving, with city driving often yielding better results than highway, as the electric motor assists more in stop-and-go traffic. Cold weather can also decrease fuel efficiency as the engine runs more to warm up and keep the cabin warm. Timing. The Ford 2.5 Duratec hybrid engine uses a timing chain to drive its camshafts. This is a significant advantage as timing chains are designed to last the life of the engine and do not have scheduled replacement intervals, unlike timing belts. This contributes to the engine's long-term reliability and lower maintenance costs. Oil. The 2.5 Duratec hybrid engine typically requires 0W20 fully synthetic engine oil that meets specific Ford specifications, such as 4WSS, M2C954, 01, or similar. The low-viscosity oil is crucial for the engine's efficiency, especially given its frequent stopping and starting in hybrid operation. Oil capacity is generally around 5.5 to 6.0 U.S. quarts, approximate 5.2 to 5.7 liters, with a filter change, but always check the owner's manual for the exact specification for your vehicle and model year. Regular oil changes according to the manufacturer's recommended intervals, often based on the Intelligent Oil Life Monitor, but typically 7,500 to 10,000 miles or annually, are essential for engine health. Versions. The 2.5 Duratec engine itself has a long history, but its application in the Atkinson cycle hybrid powertrain became prominent more recently. Power outputs for the combined hybrid system vary. Approximate 190 to 200 horsepower. Combined system output. This is a common range for the standard full hybrid applications, e.g. Ford Fusion Hybrid, Escape Hybrid, Maverick Hybrid. Approximate 220 to 225 horsepower. Combined system output for the plug-in hybrid, PHEV, applications, e.g. Ford Escape/Kuga PHEV, Ford Transit Custom PHEV. The higher output often comes from more powerful electric motors and a larger battery. The core 2.5 Atkinson cycle engine has seen continuous refinements, but its fundamental design remains consistent across its hybrid applications. History. The 2.5 Duratec engine itself is part of Ford's long-standing Duratec family, with roots tracing back to Mazda's MZR engines. The Atkinson cycle variant, specifically designed for hybrid use, gained prominence with Ford's second-generation hybrid vehicles. It replaced the earlier 2.0L Atkinson cycle engine in models like the Ford Fusion Hybrid and C-Max Hybrid around 2013 to 2014 onwards, offering improved power and efficiency. This 2.5 hybrid system has since been widely adopted across Ford's hybrid and PHEV lineup, including Ford Fusion/Mondeo Hybrid/Energy, PHEV, Ford Escape/Kuga Hybrid/PHEV, Ford Maverick Hybrid, Lincoln MKZ Hybrid, Ford Transit Custom PHEV, a newer application. Its longevity and continued use in new models like the Ford Maverick Hybrid underscore its reputation as a reliable and highly efficient powertrain solution for Ford's electrified vehicle strategy. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automotive Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.